Okay, so I know the revenues in the year 2000. It's 6% of 840 million, whatever that is. I know the number, or I could figure it out. I want to know what that number is in 1998. Now, statement 2 seems like it has a much better chance of being sufficient on its own because it's giving me that connection between the thing that I'm interested in 1998 to the thing that I know in 2000. Specifically, it says that the number increased by 40% from 98 to 2000. And remember, I know what the number is in 2000. Can I figure out what was the starting point from which a 40% increase led me to whatever the number is in 2000? Yes, I can. Now, I'm about to show you how I would do that in case you run into something like that in problem solving, but I want to be clear, I would never do such a thing in data sufficiency on the actual test. So here's what it would look like. I'd build a ratio of 1998 to 2000. The increase of 40% is applied to 1998. So my 1998 is the 100 ratio units, and 2000 would be 140 ratio units. And of course, we can reduce those numbers by a common factor of 20 and get a ratio of 5 to 7. So now I can say that whatever the revenues are in 2000, in 1998, there were 5/7 of that number. Statement 1 on its own, on the other hand, is not sufficient because it just tells me what percent of some unknown number the revenues were in 1998. There's no way for me to find, just from statement 1 on its own, what the total revenues were in 1998. So telling me that the answer is 5% of that unknown number is kind of meaningless. So I'm going to go here with answer choice B because statement 2 is sufficient on its own, but statement 1 isn't. If you found this video useful, go to quantreasoning.com for a lot more where that came from. You should also click that like button and let me know in the comments below what you'd like me to make future videos about. And of course, if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and do that and click that bell below so you get notified about future videos. See you next time.